Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drink ashwagandha leaf juice. First, gather about 10 to 15 fresh ashwagandha leaves, ensuring they are vibrant and free from blemishes. Next, rinse them thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or impurities. Then, you'll need to prepare the leaves for juicing, which is a simple process to get started. Once your leaves are clean, place them into a blender with about 1/4 cup of water. Blend on high until you achieve a smooth, pulpy consistency. If you don't have a blender, a mortar and pestle works just as well. After blending, pour the mixture into a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to extract the pure juice. Ashwagandha leaf juice can be quite potent, so it's best to dilute it. Mix 1 part ashwagandha juice with 1 part water to reduce its intensity. For a more palatable experience, you can add a teaspoon of honey or a small pinch of black salt. A few drops of fresh lemon juice can also brighten the flavor considerably. The best time to drink ashwagandha leaf juice is in the morning on an empty stomach to maximize absorption. Begin with a small dose, perhaps 1 to 2 tablespoons, and observe how your body responds. Consistency is key, so try to incorporate it into your daily routine. Remember to listen to your body and adjust as needed for optimal well-being.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.